Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make our dolly a little headband, and today it's about recycling. So any bottles that you've got laying around that underneath the lid has a little rim, we're going to take that little rim, cut a small section out of it. I'm using a Stanley knife today. If you're using any sharp items, please check with an adult and just be careful. Just take enough so that it sits just over your dolly's head, and then we're going to cover them. I decided to cover this one with some ribbon, so I got my B7000 glue. Again, it's got a precision needle point applicator, which is brilliant because it means you can be really precise. Put your glue on and literally just wrap your ribbon round. Keep it nice and close so you don't have any gaps. Go all the way around the headband, and when you finish, just cut off the end. Secure it with a little bit of glue, customize it to whatever you want for your dolly, but I pop it on Dolly's head and look, she looks really cute with it, and it's customized for her. The next one, I'm going to actually cover this one in glitter. I chose silver glitter, and we're just going to cover the whole headband in this. We're going to get our lovely Mod Podge, and we're going to paint that all over the headband, covering all of the little crevices, and then we're going to get our glitter, give it a good shake all over it, and then a little tap so any of the little loose bits just fall straight off. The underneath of the headband, I didn't like the plastic colour, so I just coloured it in with a black pen. Oops, Barbie's got some glitter in her hair, so we need to seal the headband. Once it's dry, a thin layer of glue over the top of the glitter, stopping little bits falling off. So I hope you enjoyed making these. Go and have some fun. See you again soon. Bye!